absolutely in love with the aesthetic.
The wood fell on the Saskatoon berry bush.
I shoveled a lot already. I spent the last 2 days shoveling out the inside of the greenhouse and then also around the perimeter.
It snowed a lot more today, so.
It's still snowing. What the
Everything in the that I did for the chickens yesterday is covered in snow.
what the forecast? Did you go there already?
Yeah, I went and opened up the door and and then I realized I forgot my coffee. George, ow! It's too early for that, honey. Where'd you go? Over you bark?
Yeah, she was over here with me,
Oh,
getting out of the snow.
yeah. You're gonna need to plow, or I can plow.
So tired of flying.
So crazy. Hey, Georgie, that actually hurts. Mommy hasn't had her coffee yet. Love you.
This panel section is the one that drops the most. The sun hits it.
Sorry, sorry.
I think it'll be okay if we leave them on the top. Yeah. Make it small for him. The greenhouse with the mohawk. really cool thing about the round earth walls is the walls look quite different depending on what type of light's hitting them. If it's a flat light, if it's the sun, if it's shade, if it's a light from just light at night from the moon. All different types of light make it look different. We're absolutely in love with the aesthetic. Can't wait to get a roof on and actually have some, like the shadows that we'll have cast in there when there's greenery is going to be stunning. Looks like we're through our cold snap. It's starting to warm up today. I think we're about 12 degrees Celsius, and we're going to be hitting like positive temperatures into early next week. So we do have to get rid of all the snow inside and around the perimeter of the greenhouse, also off the top, just so it doesn't melt and cause any issues there. Yeah, but I shoveled out inside once already. We got a pad to put in the middle for a post for a big beam in there, and then all the concrete work is done. And also I want to put in the weeping tile and stuff around the perimeter, as well as the tar on the outside, and get the backfill done. All goes well, we can maybe get the backfill done next week. We'll see what happens. All right, all our snow in the forecast is done except for maybe a couple centimeters tomorrow. But tomorrow it's also warming up right to 0, which is just freezing. So we've been well below freezing for 10 days with lots of snow. I spent the last 2 days shoveling out the inside of the greenhouse, also around the perimeter of the greenhouse for the footing, because we need to backfill and also clear out any loose fill that went in there but is now frozen. So wanted to get the snow out of there so that we can, when it warms up, it'll be easier to chip it out. And if I have to add heat, I'll add heat. But we wanted to also show you how much snow we've got. Michelle's guess is 2 feet. So we'll see. How much, babe?
2 feet.
2 feet. So this one's actually, I haven't cleared this off in a long time since we started getting snow. And then you can see on top of the pillars, there's about half that, because I did clear those off at one point in time. All right, 2 feet, you say? My guess is 14 inches, which is 1 foot 2. Ooh. 14 and a half. Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of this because you don't want it melting, going down the face of the walls. It's a lot of snow. And it'll also mess up for the backfill. Anyhow, I'm gonna carry on with this. I'm absolutely exhausted from shoveling snow. And then also clearing around all around the greenhouse so that we can hopefully get to backfilling here as well. We're gonna have a problem with the fill being frozen, but I got an idea for that too. I just need to get the heater here. It's like a ground heater with hoses. Anyhow, back at it. Every day I'm shoveling.
Man, life and the crazy nights. Figure I should probably give it a try. Maybe check it out, see what it's all about. But the traffic was fast and the money was slow. The people I met you never get to know. I kinda miss this place I used to live back home. 'Cause up here it's breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. My friends are still the same. I guess the slow life is just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, and you can keep your 9 to 5. Happy with the simple life. Yeah, I ain't here to try to change your mind. Trying to save your time, in case you're thinking about breaking out the bucket list. Girl, you can skip this funny business. 'Cause up there it's complicated and overrated. Down here everything is understated. That's alright by me. I got everything that I need. But there is breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. All my friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right.